Alright guys, it is 6:20 in the morning. Today's the day. We're going to do Devil's Bathtub. We're so excited. All the snacks are here. We're ready. She's eating
my enchilada.
Eating the rest of her enchilada. There's me. I am ready. Andrea's getting ready. We're ready, guys. Stay tuned. You're God, I got it. There's a big spider right there for context, y'all. Maybe I'll film it later, but that's that. Wow, crazy outside. I just had to come here to grab Courtney's hiking boots. It's kind of important for the hike. You see it, guys? It's like right here. I'm trying to hold a flashlight and do this at the same time. It won't focus. There it is. Oh. There. Alright, guys, this is the spider I was talking about. Very big and ugly. I'm sorry. If you guys like spiders, then that works too. What do you think about the spider on there?
They're cute.
You think it's cute?
I just don't want it with me.
You're not even focused. There you are.
Oh, I'm focused now.
How'd you know? Good job. Oh man, this is just crazy, y'all. Look at that. Are you actually reporting live right now?
I'm recording something.
Oh, perfect. Hey, what's up, you guys? Here we are.
Where are we?
In Sneedville, Tennessee.
I hope everyone comes out. I have no idea. There's Anna behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, I'll have a...
She said I was snoring last night.
It was super cute though, so it's okay.
Oh.
Alright guys, we made it to the parking lot is over there. Now we're on our hike. Well, we have to start first by walking along the road until we find the next turn to reach the trailhead. How's everybody doing up front? Woo! Love it. Okay guys, we made it.
Oh, the National Forest.
We are in the George Washington and Jefferson National Forest. Alright, let's follow the leader. Let's go!
I don't want to be the leader.
We made it to the first marker and you have to take the left where it says Devil's Bathtub. If not, you're going to end up doing a whole loop, which is a little bit longer. And for those who just want to swim, the left is the option for you. Woo! Just lay on back. I'm already cold as it is.
See what I don't even know if it was recording me.
Guys,
does it do that?
You see it? Yeah, it's going.
Oh, duh.
We're here. We're here. What's up, you guys? We're here. We made it to the swimming hole. Devil's Bathtub is not there. It's not here. This is the swimming hole. It's really cold, but it's really cool. It feels like a natural slide over here, and I think it's salamander just touched my foot. Did you see that?
I don't know. I can see it.
Alright, that's it.
Well, I guess you can see me.
Of course.
Hi.
Alright guys, we made it to the Devil's Bathtub finally. We're gonna have to go inside. It's really cold. We recommend you do this hike. 10 out of 10. Woo!
This is so cute. I love snakes. From a distance, I like them. Well, like the rattlesnakes from a distance. Yeah, they're so pretty. I don't know. I'll hold snakes too. I love the feeling of like snakes. They're cold.